This is where it all starts. This is Grouse Mountain. This is what we're doing today. And we'll see a nice view in a minute. Thanks for coming out. Here we are in this cart.
I'm afraid to hold it.
We're heading up.
I'll get your batteries at the end of the trip. I don't know what's called. Area batteries?
There's probably some pretty cool views.
Welcome on board the Grouse Mountain Super Sky Ride. My name is Luke and I'll be your guide for the duration of our 6-minute journey to our peak chalet. We're reaching an elevation of 3,700 feet or 1,100 meters above the city of Vancouver. I would also like to acknowledge that Grouse Mountain is located on the unceded territories of the Coast Salish people, the Squamish, Musqueam, and Tsleil-Waututh First Nations. We value the opportunity to live, work, and share experiences on their ancestral territories. Grouse Mountain is committed to providing a safe environment for outdoor recreation. We'd also like to draw your attention to the exclusion of liability, which you receive with your ticket or pass purchase. There are a number of activities that are complimentary with your admission ticket today. You can say hi to our 2 resident grizzly bears, Grinder and Kula, at the Grouse Mountain Refuge for Endangered Wildlife. We encourage guests to visit the bears just by following the signage leading towards their habitat. Quick venture open until 7 as well. Learn more about our local flora and fauna, the local geology, and the history of the North Shore Mountains. Our guided eco-walks will take you on a 45-minute walk with a knowledgeable guide across the mountain plateau. They'll be held at So, here's the log here. Every single trip we do it in line. And I isolated. We were for the entire rest of the day until right now. It's got a little more busy and we want to run a bit faster. You can always check the speed right here.
Here we are in the lodge portion. I don't know if you can appreciate that. Look at the wood carvings. All right, I'll show you a little more later. Wow, what a beautiful view.
Now we know why it's coined beautiful BC.
That's the harbor, right? Yeah, we're not far. That's basically the harbor we're in.
See the bears? I want to see the
Sure,
bears.
sure. So we can get down this way, eh?
And then sometimes I'm like, what is he doing? And then when I see you were here, beautiful. Oh, these are cool for your shoes. Look.
Yeah, for the dirt. Yeah. See,
Oh, he's still staying.
that's all right. We're at the bottom. It's all good. Look at this view. Woohoo! Oh, I was doing all this time.
Andrew, Natalie's boyfriend's mom. She's our friend Julie. She qualified for the Boston Marathon.
Here we are. Flo getting some good pictures. Lizzie and Rox walking around. All right. So this is Vancouver, that little harbor. I want to say some sound. I don't know what sound it is. Something sound. Get a little picture. Here we are, we're getting a little video.
So is this lichen?
And then here, let's get the picture.
Oh, I think it's
Oh, that's a video.
that.
Here. And here's all of us. Here's Liz and Flo.
You gotta be in
There's
front.
us.
You have to be this way. And then take a picture.
All right.
Oh, I moved Reed at the last second because I thought you were done.
Hey, you guys are. Let's get a pic.
Okay, look this way, Flo.
Here, we're getting a pic. Here, inward video. Oh, sorry, around.
Eagle.
Oh,
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Bald eagle just flew in front of me.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Thanks for coming out.